Welcome to another edition of In the Garden. Today we're going to show you how to make a raised planter box for your vegetables in your backyard. So today it's March 23rd here in Maryland, and it's been a wet March. So we haven't been able to work the soil properly at the big garden down at the farm to get more of our cool weather crops in because it's just too wet to till still. So we're going to take other measures and build another planter box and put some more of our cool weather crops back here in our own backyard to get them started. We're going to cover making your planter box and what to build it out of, preparing the area, and making your own soil. So in front of us we have a new planter box that we built, and we're going to prepare this area. When building the planter box, it's important to use wood that is not pressure treated. So we were lucky enough to get a bunch of composite deck for free last year, and we've used the composite deck to build another one of these boxes. First, we'll place the box exactly where we're going to want it, and then we're going to remove the first layer of topsoil. Next, we'll want to loosen and aerate the soil. Next, we'll go ahead and put the soil together. So what we have in the wheelbarrow: compost. This is from our grass and yard clippings from last year. We have 2 tubs of dirt from the garden, about 100 pounds worth. 40 pounds of peat moss and 4 pounds of perlite. For the mixing ratios, we're going to use about 1:1 with the exception of the perlite. We already know our garden soil from the farm is at the correct fertility and pH. The peat moss will want to fluff up as soon as we open it, so we'll put that in first. Next, soil. Compost. And perlite. And mix. that's the nice, fluffy, light composition that we're looking for. And we'll put this in our planter box and mix another load. Okay, so our planter box is ready. We're going to be direct sowing seeds into this system. In here we're going to put beets, kale, spinach, and sugar daddy peas. Sugar daddies. The next step we took was to put 2 cans of water on the bed, tamp it down, and set up some little trellises for our peas to start on. We'll mark off where we're going to place our rows. Do beets, spinach, and kale. We'll put our peas in first. They get planted about 1 inch deep. Next will be our beets. These get planted about 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch deep. Spinach, 1/2 inch deep. And lastly for this bed are kale. Planting depth is 1/4 to 1/2 inch deep. That about does it for our video today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.